All right, hi boys and girls. I'm going to show you how to get into BrainPop Junior. So we're going to go to the YSSD website like you would to get into BrainPop any other time. So you're going to go to Families and then down here to Resources, over to Students, and then you're going to click on this first block here, Academic Resources, and then scroll down here to the bottom, and you can either click BrainPop here or you can click the little icon down here. So it's going to bring up this message. It has nothing to do with us really. So you can just click OK. And then you're going to come over here and enter your code, which was Writer 3480, and click Submit. So now I'm already signed up, but you want to come down here and hit Sign Up Now. So once you click that, I'm going to do Audrey since we missed her in class today. So it actually filled in Audrey's name for me because I had clicked on her before. And then her username is going to be her name and her student number. Which looks like that's not, it's already taken. So let's do, I'm going to do her sign on here. So it looks like that's available. So do your name and your sign on, whatever your email address is. And then your password is going to be what your password is to log on to your email. So then you're going to type it again. And then you're going to come down here and click on a security question. So I'm going to just do favorite color. I'm not sure what Audrey's favorite color is, but we're going to put purple. So I'll let her know. And then you're just going to click one of these icons down here to be your picture that pops up. So I'm just going to click on the flowers and click Create Account. So now it says congratulations and you are signed in. So then you're going to use that to log on. So then you can click Log On. So you're going to type in what you just created and hit log in. And then you're going to come up here to the top and click on dashboard. And then your assignment is right here. So then you can click on that and take your quiz. I hope that helps for you guys. Thank you.